We know it can be hard to say goodbye to a beloved family home, even when it doesn't fit your current lifestyle any longer. But if you considered that you might actually be able to live larger in a smaller home. Most of our clients who downsize tell us it's the best decision they ever made. For example, we recently helped a lovely couple downsize from their large family home to a cozy condo by the beach. Not only do they enjoy lower maintenance and utility costs, but they also have more time to travel and visit their grandchildren. Hi, I'm Robert Martin with We Buy Realty in Daytona Beach, Florida. If you're considering a smaller space, you'll definitely want to check out our latest blog post. There's a link pinned to the comment section below. In it, we share some strategies you can use to downsize without compromise and lots of other useful information that will help you no matter where you are in your moving journey. We can give you some additional steps. We've got some information. Take a look and then reach out with any questions or to schedule a free consultation. You can call or text me at 386-898-0700. We'd love to help you live larger by right-sizing for your next stage in your life.